Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that your body already holds the power to heal itself. No medicines, no supplements, no expensive treatments. Just the natural intelligence within you. The Buddha once said, "Every human being is the author of their own health or disease." This means your healing doesn't begin in a pharmacy. It begins in your kitchen, with what you choose to eat the moment you wake up. Think about it. Every bite you take is either feeding your energy or draining it. Every sip is either cleansing your system or polluting it. What if the first food you eat each morning could help your body repair itself, fight illness, and bring you calmness from the inside out? In Buddhist monasteries, monks start their day with quiet mindfulness, drinking warm water, eating simple fruits, and feeling gratitude for every meal. Their secret to long life and peace is not found in pills, but in their daily habits. In this video, we'll uncover 6 powerful morning foods that can help your body cure itself naturally, based on ancient Buddhist wisdom. Stay till the end, because one of these foods might completely change how you feel every morning. In Buddhism, food is not only a source of energy, it is a sacred bridge between the body, the mind, and the spirit. The way we begin our morning determines the flow of our entire day. Monks in ancient temples believed that the first meal after sunrise holds great importance. It is not just about filling the stomach, but about awakening the body's natural healing power through mindful choices. When we eat with awareness, every bite becomes medicine. The Buddha often reminded his followers that the human body has its own intelligence. It knows how to repair, protect, and renew itself, but only when we stop poisoning it with stress, unhealthy food, and negative thoughts. That is why monks eat slowly, in silence, and with gratitude. They see food as a gift from nature, not something to consume in a hurry. In this video, we will explore 6 simple morning foods that carry this same wisdom. These are not fancy superfoods or expensive supplements. They are humble, natural ingredients you can find in any kitchen. Each one has a unique purpose: to cleanse, to strengthen, to balance, and to heal. When combined with a calm state of mind, they help your body cure itself naturally, without the need for medicine. As we go through each of these 6 foods, we'll uncover the Buddhist reasoning behind them, why monks choose them, how they affect your body's energy, and how they bring harmony between the physical and spiritual. So, if you've ever wondered how to start your mornings in a way that heals both body and mind, stay with me until the end. You might discover that true healing begins not in a pharmacy, but right at your breakfast table. In Buddhist wisdom, every morning is seen as a chance to cleanse, balance, and prepare the body for the day ahead. The foods we eat at sunrise can either bring harmony or create imbalance. Here are 6 simple yet powerful morning foods that help your body heal itself, inspired by the mindful lifestyle of Buddhist monks. The first is warm water with lemon. Monks begin their day with this simple drink to awaken the body's natural cleansing system. Lemon water gently flushes out toxins and prepares the digestive organs for the day. It's a reminder that purification begins with small, consistent acts, just like cleaning the mind through meditation. Next comes fresh fruits, especially papaya and banana. These are living foods, filled with natural energy that awakens the senses. In monasteries, fruits are often eaten in silence, allowing monks to truly taste nature's sweetness. Papaya supports digestion, while bananas offer calm and steady energy. Eating fruits mindfully teaches patience and gratitude. The third is ginger tea. Known as a natural healer, ginger has been used for centuries to warm the body and strengthen the immune system. In Buddhist temples, it is believed that warmth, whether from tea or kindness, is the foundation of healing. Ginger tea helps you feel alive, centered, and ready to face the day. Then comes porridge, made from oats or brown rice. This simple meal is a symbol of stability and grounding. It nourishes without burdening the body, giving monks long-lasting energy for meditation and daily tasks. Simplicity, as the Buddha taught, is the key to contentment. Add to that a handful of nuts and seeds, almonds, sesame, or walnuts, tiny sources of strength and balance. They remind us that great power often hides in small things. And finally, honey with warm water, nature's sweet medicine. It soothes the throat, strengthens immunity, and fills the heart with gratitude. Each of these 6 morning foods carries a message. Healing doesn't come from rushing or resisting. It comes from living in harmony with nature, one mindful meal at a time. When we hear the word healing, most of us immediately think of medicine, doctors, or treatment. But in Buddhist wisdom, true healing begins long before illness appears. It begins with awareness, the awareness of what we eat, how we live, and how we think. The foods you choose each morning are not just feeding your body. They are shaping your energy, your emotions, and even your thoughts. In today's fast-paced world, many of us eat in a hurry. We scroll through our phones, rush through breakfast, and often forget that food is a sacred form of life energy. The Buddha taught that mindfulness in eating is as important as meditation itself. When you eat with gratitude and presence, your body receives that energy and begins to heal naturally. It's not only about what you eat, but how you eat it. The Buddha once said, "Your body is precious. It is your vehicle for awakening. Treat it with care." This teaching holds a timeless truth. Your body is not your enemy. It is your greatest companion on the journey of life. Every cell inside you wants to live, to thrive, to be in harmony. When you give it the right food, rest, and peace, it responds with energy, strength, and clarity. Try these 6 morning foods for just 7 days. Notice how your body feels lighter, calmer, and more alive. You may find your skin glowing, your mind clearer, and your heart more peaceful. These changes are not magic. They are nature's quiet reward for your awareness. So tomorrow morning, before reaching for your phone or your coffee, take a moment. Drink warm water with lemon. Eat your fruits slowly. Feel the warmth of tea in your hands. Taste the sweetness of honey. These small moments are your meditation in motion. If this message touched your heart, subscribe to Wisdom Diaries for daily teachings from Buddhist wisdom, gentle reminders to live with mindfulness, compassion, and peace. Until next time, breathe deeply, eat mindfully, and walk through life with gratitude. The path to healing is already within you.